Hey everyone, welcome back to another lecture. This will be lecture number 36. In this lecture, we will see how we can model the windows. Already in the equipment tasks, so please select the tasks, equipment and furnishing. Then we have to choose this equipment, and then here the first option is there, place equipment. Click on that. Just one window will appear. At the first time, you will see this. You have to maximize that. Click on the architecture, and here you find the windows option. Just click on the residential windows, and here you can choose according to your need whether you want the door right push, left push, right pull or left pull. So I randomly click on the left push. You can also change after also, so don't worry. So I will click on the first and click on the OK, and here one windows will appear. You can give here the name, so I will give the name to the window. So change your system wherever you want to save your windows. So I give the structure system. So in the structure, the hierarchy of this window will be saved. Just click on the OK. Now we have to give the reference. Select a reference in the model. So I just give the reference to this wall and click on the OK. Now here you find one opening of the windows also created. So now this windows will place successfully. Now I will tell how we can change the dimension as well as how we close the windows door. Let's see how we will do that. Just click on the equipment and go to the properties, and then here you find one option like equipment dimension. Here you find a push pull. If you give the values to the 0, here you also read 1 is for open, 0 is for close. So we can choose 1 or 0 if you put 0. So let's see what will be the change. I click on the apply, and here you find Windows door will be closed. If I click or give the value 1, Windows door will be open. Also you can change the height and width, like here you find A is for height, B is for width. This you find A and this you find B. So let's change the values. Let's see what will be the change. So I will give 500 by 500. Let's click on the apply. Now here you find the window size change. So according to your dimension, you can put here your dimension, change according to your need. Also let's see what we can change. If you put the -1, like I earlier said, you can change the position. If you want inner side door or outer side, if you put here -1, then the door of this window will be outside. Okay, and also you can change top edge width. You can change according to your need. Okay, so here you find the different types of values are there. You can change according to your need. And let's see how it will be appear in a helicopter view. So here you find windows created successfully inside the wall. This way you can put your windows very easily in smartplant 3D software. I already uploaded the 35 lecture on this channel, like a GAD, how we can extract the GAD, how we put isometric like piping routing, cable tie routing, and cable modeling. Also I make the videos on different topics on smartplant 3D, so you can also visit that, and if you like, you can subscribe my channel. So thank you guys. We will meet in next lecture very soon.